Yeah, lots of times.
One lecturer would explain something and then single me out and be like, "You understand what's going on, Imogen?" Got sick of it and was like, "You need to stop doing this because I understand what you're saying." And all the guys in my class then filed a report against him. So dudes can be okay sometimes.
Especially when I'm already doing something, I'm already doing the right way, and they try to mansplain it.
We're turning our logo, the girl, into a giant life-size.
Alright, I'll just try my best.
Ring toss game. So we're gonna we do a lot of events in the community and we want to have something that we're able to bring to an event that's safe for everyone. We used to do like hammer contests. And people would, like, you can injure yourself. This way, like, if you injure yourself throwing a ring, then you shouldn't be out in public. So this way is just easier for like all ages to still have fun, and then you can get like a fun Fix a Female gear prize. So this way, the kids will come over and we're able to interact with the parents and talk to them while their kids are happy and playing a game, and then win them over that way for their business.
You have been coming off like a dick, and I appreciate the apology. He's being a dick. Like, don't talk to my girls like they're stupid or they don't know stuff.
So working at Home Hardware, I had been doing construction, working in construction, going to college for construction. I'm helping this lady for like an hour, asking me like every 10-15 minutes, "Are you sure there's not a man who can help me?" She went to my manager and he was like, "Oh, let's send you to our construction expert." Send her back to me. Person's gonna go home with a completely wrong item, completely wrong material for what they want to get done, and I don't give a because they don't take me seriously because I don't have a dick.
Yeah, there's no parents in sight because I've been scaring them all away. No, it's actually working. Like when there's happy kids, their parents are happy too because they don't have to watch them for 5 minutes. Yeah, exactly. Like come renovate us and we'll babysit them too.
I don't know if they didn't know who I was or like they thought some man ran the company or something, because a lot of people think that, right? They think like fix it females, okay, but there's gotta be a man there,
right,
controlling everything,
yeah,
and there isn't. It's me.
Yeah.